Hi, this video is from Interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is an aspect in Spring UOP, and I've written a very simple after advice example. I'll run and show you the demo. An aspect is a common feature that's typically scattered across methods classes, like I could say logging, security, auditing. Say you have your business layer class, and you have a business method. You want to have a logging after this method. So without clubbing the real code here, you can do that using aspect oriented programming. So the main goal is separate the cross-cutting code from my business layer. That's the first intention. So after calling this add hotel business layer method, I want to call a logging method that I can do using aspect. An aspect is nothing but a class which contains a set of advices. So this is called an advice. Okay, here I will inform the Spring framework, inform or configure in the Spring framework. I am informing here whenever add hotel method is called, since it's after this add hotel method, call this method. That's what I'm informing to Spring framework, and this is called as point cut expression, and this is my join point. Join point is nothing but the target method where this method will be called after that. Okay, so let me run this program. Before that, you should be aware of this enable aspect shadow proxy in the configuration class. This is used to detect your aspect annotation. If you don't specify this, it's not going to work for you. Okay, and how exactly internally it works, Spring creates a proxy object, and they will generate a code wrapper method, and my business class method will be called, then my cross-cutting concern method, that is logging method, will be called. Okay, let me run this program so that you can understand. I'm going to start my debugging. My container is going to start, and I'm going to get my hotel service bean from my Spring container. So it's not a normal object, it's a proxy object. I'll show you by highlighting it. If you see here, it's not a normal object, it's a proxy object generated by the Spring framework. And if you see here, it will go to the add hotel method. Okay, that's fine. But next, if you see, it goes to trace after method, but here we called only add hotel. But how come it's going here? That's what. So they generate the wrapper method, and internally they are having all these methods. Okay, because we called here only add method, the add hotel method. It went here fine, but how come it's going here? Okay, so now my address method, trace after method is called. So two things happened. We have separated the logging code from a business layer, and we have created a proxy object from the Spring framework. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.